Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I have something very exciting, and I finally got the custom firmware installed on my PS3 Slim, and it's running off 4.86 with Ferox custom firmware. And I've been hesitant on pulling this trigger on my PS3 Slim, installing the custom firmware and all that good stuff, because I wanted to upgrade the hard drive to a 2 TB hard drive, and I didn't do enough research to know that it's not really possible to have something that big on the PS3, and I didn't realize it up until I started getting into the process of, disassembling the PS3, taking the old hard drive out and installing the new one in, having it formatted to FAT32 and all that good stuff. I have a lot of videos already pre-recorded, but I came across a problem where the PS3 was just not able to read the 2 TB hard drive for some odd reason, and there's only like one post out there that's talking about getting a 2 TB hard drive working on the PS3, and there's all sorts of different things that you have to do. For example, you have to shrink it, you have to format it correctly and then throw it into the PS3, downgrade the PS3, format the hard drive with the downgraded firmware, and then re-upgrading your firmware to the current 4.86 or 4.85 or whichever firmware that you were previously on. So it is a bit of work to get that done, and I'm probably just going to upgrade to a terabyte hard drive and just go from there. Now, my PS3 was previously on 4.82, and I've been doing a lot of research. I've been learning all sorts of different things with the PS3 hacking scene, because this is my first time ever doing this, and learning all sorts of different things that you can do on the PS3 is just amazing. And it's probably going to be my main console that I'll be doing a lot of different videos, a lot of different homebrew hacks, and just having all sorts of fun with it. And I'm so excited to get started. And as you can see here, I have RetroArch, and it's working just fine on the PS3. If you're not familiar with RetroArch or RetroArch, it's basically a multi-emulator all-in-one application that allows you to load all different sorts of cores and play all sorts of different ROMs. For example, like Game Boy Advance, Game Boy, Nintendo, Super Nintendo, and all sorts of different things. Let's take a look at the cores here for the PS3. We can load Atari, Commodore, all sorts of fun stuff, and it's working just fine here. I was just playing Donkey Kong Country 2 for the Game Boy Advance, and we'll just run that here very quickly to show you. There's Donkey Kong 2, very nice, and there's the PS3 XMB, pretty awesome. So yeah, all this stuff is new to me, and I'm learning as I go, and I want to make a tutorial video very easy and simple to understand and not get into too much explanation. There is tons of videos out there on how to get your PS3 hacked and have custom firmware installed with, like, one of the examples of custom firmware is Rebug. So there's several different custom firmwares you can use for your PS3, and one of the ones that worked for me was Ferox, because some of the other custom firmware links were broken, missing, or just not working for me, and I wanted to do something just very simple, very easy for you guys to understand, and I think I'm going to go with this route with Ferox custom firmware. And I was able to install the Cybermodding Homebrew Store, very cool. And I don't have my PlayStation Network signed in, because there is a very high chance of getting your console banned if you are signed in, but there are several ways to avoid that, and you can install different plugins and just being extra careful on signing in before you start using all these different homebrew applications. So here's the PS3 Homebrew Store, and you will need some sort of USB stick to download these applications. So let's go to personalize, and this is in, not sure what this language is, but it's fairly easy to understand. Like personalizzazione is personalized, And looks like we have some fonts, we have some cold boots, we have some XMB themes, the PSN logos, and yeah, a lot of fun stuff. Let's take a look at the themes that are available in this store. I did look at the cold boots, nothing too crazy there. So here are some of the themes that you can download. We have theme, cybermodding, animated. Let's take a look here. PS4 theme, pretty cool. And just a ton of stuff here. Let's see, let's go to emulators, Emulatori. And we have RetroArch version 1.9.0. Super Nintendo, Game Boy Advance. A lot of cool stuff here. Actually, not too many. Oh, let's go back with L1. I keep pressing circle to go back. Let's see here. Let's go back to personalize. And now let's check out the XMB waves. We have an original wave. And I got the wave in the background, the multicolor blue, red, purple, and all that stuff right now through the custom firmware I installed, the mods installer. So I went to package manager and install package files, and there was the Ferox mod installer, which was installed when the custom firmware was being installed. So that's pretty cool. So we have the Ferox mods installer, and that will let you install the homebrew store along with the waves that's going on right now. Let's go back and go to, let's see here, mod menu. And these are going to be mods for some games. We have Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 3, Grand Theft Auto 5, Black Ops 2 and 3. Not sure what the center one is. So yeah guys, I'm very excited to bring you some content for the PS3 on here on this channel, and just going through all sorts of different homebrew stuff, applications, plugins for the PS3, and get you guys started into the homebrew scene on the PS3. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's just more of an introduction video for the PS3 videos here coming very soon. And if you guys have any questions, comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Take care guys, and I'll see you on the next one.